Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, I finally got my phone in the mail after ordering it over a week. So yeah, with this whole COVID-19 stuff going on, it does take a little bit to get the phones in. But gladly, I did purchase this phone with my own money, thanks to you guys. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. And like I said, later on, we'll do a review and all that good stuff like I usually do on my channel. So I'm going back to my roots since it's been a long time now that I have more time to spend at home. So like I said, we're going to do the unboxing and kind of do a first boot up and see how it is. So this is an LG K51, guys. As you can see it right here. Very, very nice phone. At least the box so far. But it's pretty cool. Here in the front, you do get some quick specs. It's a 6.5-inch HD plus display, 13 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel wide, and a 2 megapixel depth rear camera, 13 megapixel front camera, 32 gigs of internal storage, 3 gigs of RAM, and it has a whopping 4,000 milliamp battery. So very cool with that. Of course, here on the sides and the back, same thing, more specs in the back. As you can see, just the same specs that we did talk about. The screen size, the camera, overall storage. You can put up to a 2 terabyte SD card in here. 4,000 milliamp battery. It does have Android 9.0 Pie from what I remember, and 4G LTE, of course. Now, what's cool about this phone, guys, is this is one of the phones that you can actually use the new expanded data network that Boost Mobile and T-Mobile have going on. So that means you will be able to access the T-Mobile network when it officially launches. It has launched in some areas, but not where I'm at. So I'm excited. I will have to get a SIM card from my local store or try to get one off, online or over the phone. So we'll see how that goes when it officially launches here. So let's get into it, guys, and start the unboxing. So of course, it is glued back here. If you like to support the channel, you can, guys, by checking it out. Honey is a free web browser extension that'll find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Boost Mobile, Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. That will be in the description below. And when you make your first purchase, once you get the extension, I will get a small commission that will help me bring more reviews like this to the channel. So like I said, I'm very excited for this phone. I was excited when I saw FedEx drop it off, and yes, it was FedEx, not UPS. UPS would have been here a lot later, but pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open her up and see what we get. So I always like doing this. Wow. And there is the box, guys. So very, very cool. It is a traditional gray box, like all I say all LGs would come in, at least for Boost Mobile. So it's very, very nice. Overall, it's simple. It's gray. I like gray. And overall, like I said, it is simple enough. But let's get into it and see what's inside. All right. So same thing. Here's the box. Same thing. The specs. They put the specs everywhere. Looks like the screen size and everything. So, and then the big LG logo, LG K51 on the side. On the top, just the LG logo. Barcodes, K51 as well. And then in the back, even more specs. But this one actually with pictures. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, screen size, 6.5-inch HD, full vision notch display. The rear triple cameras, which is the most exciting part of this phone. 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. And the big thing is a 4,000 milliamp battery. So let's go ahead and pop her open. Wow. So first off, you do get your chargers. So of course, doesn't look like it's fast charging or anything, and I don't know why it's all smudged. But this is the charger. Doesn't look like it's fast charging, just a regular brick charger. And it is a Type-C. As you can see, here's the Type-C connector. So pretty cool. Wow. This is a big phone, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but it's big. And this is what I like about Android, is they just give you such a big screen size for such a small, small value or small price. So here's warranty, limited warranty and all that stuff. This one doesn't come with a 2-year warranty that LG usually gives you. That's more for their flagship phones. It does have a SIM extractor tool as well. But let's get into the phone. Of course, there's no battery in there because it's already in the phone. It's non-removable. Wow, look at this thing. It does come with a screen protector. I don't know if you can see it here in the camera, thanks to all the reflection. But it does come with a little screen protector, which is nice. And yes, guys, very big phone, 6.5 inch display. And here we go. Here's the side buttons here. Like I said, I don't know how clearly it's gonna record it. There we go. So volume up, volume down, and then this is your Google Assist button, which I have seen this on the LG K40 with other carriers. So it's very nice to have this button if you like your Google Assistant, which I do. So pretty cool. So here on the right side, there is the SIM tray, and then your power button. On the top, you don't have anything. Then on the bottom, you do, yep, look at that, 3.5mm headphone jack, your charging port, and then bottom firing speakers, which is always nice. They're not coming from the rear, so if you like watching videos, which I do, I'm gonna use this as a media consumption phone for watching videos, Netflix, Hulu, all that good stuff, you know, YouTube. That's the way to go. Then, of course, you do have your front-facing, there you go, selfie camera. On the back, this is where it really shines. So check this out, guys. Triple rear camera setup, so very nice. Does have a flash as well, so it looks like it's 4, but it's really only 3. That's your flash. Fingerprint sensor, and it looks, I mean, it looks like it was glass, but I think it's, what do they call it? Glassic or something like that, whatever they call it. It's basically looks like glass, but it's really plastic. So check it out. Very nice. Does have the little LG logo there on the bottom. So very nice, guys. I like how shiny this phone looks. As you can see me looking there at the camera, make sure I'm getting my shots. So very shiny overall. So I like it a lot, guys. So far so good. It is a little heavy, but remember this does have a 4,000 milliamp battery, so not too bad. Like I said, it's a little heavier. I'll go ahead and show you a Note 10 Plus. This is a Note 10 Plus, and this is the look at the size of this. This is basically the same size as a Note 10 Plus. Look at that thing, wow. So that's just to kind of compare it. So let's go ahead and give it the first boot up. And there you go, there's LG right there. Let me get my little stand right here. Of course, I don't know why all LGs, if you've ever seen it, it always does the whole erasing thing. So I'll go ahead and put it on its little stand right here. And we'll go ahead and wait and see what it offers. So overall, it's pretty cool. I mean, I like it a lot. Like I said, I want to do a first kind of boot up and stuff and see what it has to offer. So I'll start recording back once everything is done. All right, guys. So as you can see, it's almost done setting up. It just warn you, does take a while to set up. Probably took about 3 minutes for it to erase everything. For some reason, like I said, they always do this, and then for it to set up, and then an extra like probably say 4 minutes just to get everything set up. So remember, it does take a little bit to set up, but overall, look how big it is. Now remember, this is you do have a chin down here, so you're not getting the full screen on the top. You're almost getting the full screen, so the bezels aren't that bad, but like I said, you do have a big chin on the bottom. The forehead over here is not that bad, but overall it's pretty cool. So then here's where you can do your assistant is a tap away. It's just showing you how to set that up, and I'll do that in just a little sec. So let's just set it up, finish setting it up. You can set up your fingerprint in this section. So there's a fingerprint, like I said, you can set it up, but for this purpose, for this video purpose, I'm not going to set it up at all. So, and there we go, it is complete. So let's see. As you can see, a lot of things are still downloading in the background, but there it is. Wow, it's a big display. Of course, there's Boost Mobile, My Boost. I always like doing this. This is probably the best part of my job, is getting to buy a new phone to review it for you guys. So definitely we'll be doing a review for this one. Just showing you how to do the quick things. Of course, there's no app drawer on here like most LGs, but wow, this phone's huge, guys. So it's a little hard to hold. But as you can see here, it is. It does give you how much storage you have. So I have, I'll show you just a little second in the settings, but looks like any typical LG phone here. Let it focus. So like I said, there's no app drawer. You will have to get that in the settings. Calling, texting, App Store, Google Duo. Let's look when you scroll down. So like I said, there's still a lot of things downloading in the background. So that's probably why it's causing it to be a little sluggish right now. But I mean, that's normal. So we do have a Capture Plus, the Wi-Fi, the sound, Bluetooth, rotation, data, flashlight, which is always nice to have. You see that basically standard in every phone, even budget ones. DTS X3D surround. Of course, you need headphones for that. Oh, no, never mind. You don't need headphones. Wow. So you can just activate that overall, and you will get surround sound. I'm guessing. I'm not sure if this is a speaker. We'll test that out. Sync, battery saver mode, location. Comfort view. Ooh, this black really does not like the autofocus. Do not disturb and data saver. So let's go into the settings. So there's some suggestions to finish doing my fingerprint, network, internet, just standard stuff. I mean, like I said, so far it looks like it's a little sluggish there, but like I said, it's probably just from installing everything. Sounds, display, lock screen, and security extensions. Wow. So smart cleaning, digital well-being. I like the extensions. So there's dual apps, gaming, smart clean, knock on. So of course you can disable it or enable it here. It's enabled. The knock just double tap. I mean, that's a that's a milestone when it comes with LG devices. Pretty cool. Apps and notifications, of course. Battery, storage. The storage, let's see how much we get. So look at that. So we get 14.33 gigabytes are used. So you get 17.67 used or free out of 32. Wow. So it's already used up like 45%, which is crazy. But most of it's the system and stuff. Storage, accounts, Google systems. Let's see what it's running. So which version of Android? About phone. So, wow. Let's see, status. Nope. Let's see, software, here it is. Sorry. So, I don't know if you can see that once this actually focuses. I'm gonna try to manually focus. There you go. Android 9 right there. So, let's go ahead and just test out the speakers real quick. See if, before we finish this video, just see how well it does. So, here's YouTube. I do have my review phone account in here, so wow. And it closed out just because, like I said, still downloading everything, so that's normal. Let's go ahead and see. So let's just do something here. Here we go. So let's see if it does have dual speakers. Of course, you get a review. Wow. So yes, wow, that is pretty cool. I love that it does have the surround sound speakers. It does sound on the bottom. And then you do get one in the front. So that's a pretty cool thing to have. I like that in flagship phones. And of course you do have this on here. Wow, so pretty cool. When it does get a little loud, it does get a little tingy, but not too bad. I mean, overall, it's pretty cool. And like I said, I can't believe you actually do get dual speakers with this. So that's a pretty cool thing that I didn't even see in the box or online. So pretty cool. But overall, guys, I will end it here since this review's getting, or unboxing really, / first setup is getting a little long. and we'll get to the full review. So I'm going to make this my daily second phone and see how well it does. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Dragon Warfare sign off. Please comment, rate, subscribe. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends and all that stuff.